Today we're going to be learning one simple technique that you can do to help the upper trapezius if you are experiencing pain. My name is Kelly Getz and I'm here at Denell Lake to talk to you about another energy technique that you can use to help support your body and your energy system in relieving pain. Now, I'm on this lake. This has been the first time that we have left our home in 14 weeks, and we came here to this beautiful lakefront with another couple, other friends of ours, and we've enjoyed beautiful weather, we've enjoyed some boating, we've enjoyed floating. But the other thing that we did not anticipate was that raft right behind me, that pontoon raft. We ended up losing a very expensive phone. It went right down the center of the raft. Don't ask me why it was there, but it went right down into the deep, dark, murky water. So we spent a considerable amount of time worrying about the phone, trying to find the phone, scuba diving for the phone, snorkeling the phone, and we did not find the phone. What I did find, though, was a little bit of pain in my upper trapezius. Those are those muscles that are right here that go running right across to here. They are associated to the kidney meridian. So another technique that you can do anytime that you're experiencing pain is you can sedate the meridian. Instead of doing that, we're going to do something really simple. We're going to use something called pain tapping. These muscles back here, the upper trapezius, are muscles that commonly people will hold stress. And so because it's so common, I thought, well, I might as well bring my world into your world and just share with you what I'm going to do to work my way through it. If you come along your thumb here and you drop down just right about here where that little dip is, we have a pain tapping point. And so what we're going to do, the pain right now is more on my right side, but last night I had both. They were both firing and I was able to release one side of my shoulders. But now I still got the right side. So we're going to start on the side of the body that we're on. So I'm going to follow the thumb and we're going to just come right here. Hopefully you can see that. And you'll feel like it kind of dips in. So if you follow the bone, and then right past the bone where it dips in a little bit, we're going to tap 10 times. So I'm going to tap 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I'm going to take a rest for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we're going to tap for about a minute and a half. We're going to breathe. Now what we're doing is we are sending a signal to the brain to stop this reactive pattern. I actually feel like my muscles are firing. And so we are going to tap for about a minute and a half. And you'll see I'm not even worried about being on the exact point. I'm just allowing my fingertips to hit the area. I'm going to tap it, continue to tap it. You might be hearing birds in the background. You might even hear a few kids in the background. All right. That's about a minute and a half. Now I'm going to relax and I'm just going to wait for about 10 minutes. Let's fast forward. Let's pretend that it's been 10 minutes and you still have that pain in your shoulders. You're going to come to the other side and we're going to repeat the process where we tap 10 times on, 10 times off, and we're going to now repeat that for a minute and a half. And I won't keep you on this video. You can time a minute and a half. But then you always want to check in. You want to tune in to the area that had pain and determine, is there still pain in that area? If there's still pain, you can repeat this. Now, I've used this when I had a knee injury. I had a torn meniscus, and I had a night where it was about a level 9 pain, and I couldn't get to sleep, and I couldn't get my family members to hold my sedating points. So all I did was tap on my ankle bone for that knee injury. What happened to me in the next 10 minutes was the pain completely stopped. It was pretty magical. So like you, I'm always finding new ways that I can get excited and go, wow, this really does work. And it does. So I hope you'll use it.